Come test drive the 2021 G80. The Genesis G80 offers a distinct luxury vehicle coupled with great value. Power, technology, and safety are all reasons you're going to want to check out this premium sedan. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, panoramic sunroof, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.